is, if A is here and A is here, you will end up in three A's are like this example. We have two A's and we have third one is here. How will you get to know that this is the sequence? Dictionary will destroy your sequence.
Sequence maintain नहीं करना होगा dictionary में. और other reason is like space है कि वो logic वाली space
भी लेवल से क्यों ले रहे हो?
और उसी में space हम वो ले रहे हैं.
But we are using extra string builder also.
Sorry.
नया string बना. ज़्यादा space मतलब इस केस में because C sharp में कुछ है ही नहीं. We have to make a new string. Or you could have taken string builder as your input. The string which was given, take that as an input and then we'll have order n solution. Not order. I don't think order n. We were saying
ये O है.
ये order n आता है.
नहीं ये order n है ना. बिना extra space के order n कैसे आएगा? वो मेरे को नहीं.
बिना extra space के हाँ. बिना extra space के तो like how will you do that?
I don't know. Rakesh said
we'll ask him to do that.
Rakesh को order n में करना है. No extra space order.
ये करके भेजेगा. गौर से देखो इसको.
गौर से देखिए इस आदमी को.
हम यही कर रहे हैं.
क्या?
Order n से.
आज ये
ऑर्डर नहीं है.
No extra space.
Order n में no extra space. ये string bundle ये वो नहीं है.
हाँ ये तो C++ में हो जाएगा.
हाँ ये C sharp की बात की है.
मैं बताऊँ क्या था? ये यहाँ पर कुछ ही है. बताओ इसको. क्योंकि ये आशीष नहीं करके बताया था तो वही आइडिया मेरे दिमाग में आया. इसमें ये मैं करके दूँगा. टाइम क्यों वेस्ट कर रहे हैं? टाइम we are running. सही बात. We are running short of time.
So now same question we'll do the opposite. We have the compressed string. We will uncompress the string.
Decompress is very easy, man.
Decompress is nothing.
Very easy, but you don't even need to do that.
Okay, like if everyone is okay, I think we can skip that question.
Yeah.
And in the decompressed string, we will have the other like the follow-up question will be A13. Like if we have more than one character after that, how will you do that? So this will be a bit tricky, but yeah, if you like you need to add one more.
वैसे बता दो मतलब without doing coding.
So you will start from 0 to n, and so there are certain questions that you need to ask. First question will be like, what will be the format of input? It will always be like this. There will be always a number followed by a character. Then only you can make the program effectively. If this is the screen, what we said, if we have single character, we were not adding one. So in that case, like it will be bit complicated.
अब जैसे A13 A13 B22 इस तरह को इसको कैसे डिकम्पोज?
हाँ तो हमें फिर ये यहाँ से स्कैन करना पड़ेगा जब तक हमारा नंबर आ रहा है. We just keep incrementing. We will create a temporary string. हम उसको ऐड करते जाएंगे जब तक हमारा वो नंबर की जगह कैरेक्टर आ गया, तब हम उसको आगे ऐड नहीं करेंगे और फिर हम इस स्ट्रिंग को इंट में कन्वर्ट करके इसको उतने फॉर लूप में उतनी बार चला के प्रिंट करा देंगे.
Expensive solution.
Give me the better solution.
Yeah, it is a solution, good solution, but expensive.
Do you need this solution? I may explain it more.
Which one?
The decompression.
Yeah. Decompression.
13 वाला कुछ नहीं है. A13. Now you just check first character is A. Store it in somewhere. Now check what is the second character? It's number. Now check third character. If it is still the number, you just append it in the int string. Now the int string will contain 13. Now you just change it to integer and then run the loop.
That many times.
13 times.
But वो है कि इसमें there is no such like quite मैं वो देख रहा था कि there is a tricky solution.
No, there is no trick in this.
It's just plain straightforward.
Yeah, it's just plain straightforward option.
Yeah.
So now we'll do a question where we have integer of array of integer, and where we have to find out if the sum of two number is k.
Is it sorted or is it unsorted?
Yeah, this is the question you should ask interval, like if the integer is the sorted or not unsorted. So we can
Sorry,
do
your
it.
question क्या है?
So we have to find out all the
I think
combinations,
you
right?
added this question.
Sorry?
You added this question on the
That's
side.
समझ नहीं।
Unique and nine.
Yes,
So they are unique.
let's say,
They are not unique. But they are sorted.
and I can give you one more example with integer. 5, 1, 6, 3, 2. Okay. So we have two different type of integer array. We can approach this, and we have to find out, like let's say suppose this is our k. K can be any number. Let's say we have k for k equal to 6. So what two numbers can pair with k? So this and this equal to 6.
अच्छा अच्छा।
This and this equal to 6. This and this equal to 6.
Oh, okay.
And similarly, here we have, let's say we have 4. So this and this number equal to 6, this and this number equal to 6, and this and this number equal to 6.
मनोज इसमें अच्छा चलो ठीक है, आप करो।
Okay.
मैं पूछ रहा था कि जैसे आप इसमें जैसे करते हो 0 प्लस 2 प्लस 4 6 हो जाएगा ना इसमें।
हाँ।
6 कर रहे हो।
हाँ।
अगर 6 के बाद आगे 2 है,
हाँ।
तो उसको फिर क्या 4 2 उसको भी काउंट करते हो या नहीं करते?
जो एक बार में पेयर में यूज हो गया, we generally
उसका परम्यूटेशन है।
नहीं,
नहीं
we will not use that number again.
मेरा समझ का मतलब कहने का, जैसे 7 के बाद 2 है,
हाँ।
4 प्लस 2 एक और 6 बन जाएगा, यहाँ 2 प्लस 4
इसमें 7 के बाद 2 है, ये तो पहली बार सॉर्टेड है,
अगर अनसॉर्टेड है
ये अनसॉर्टेड। हाँ, इसमें क्या करना है?
मैं वैसे कह रहा हूँ कि अगर जैसे अगर सपोज दिस इज अनसॉर्टेड,
हाँ।
तो जैसे 2 आ गया और 7 के बाद फिर 2 है,
ओके।
तो उसको 4 प्लस 2 भी करते हैं इसको।
हाँ, 4 प्लस 2
मतलब
4 प्लस 2 एक बार हो गया ना,
हाँ, तो
तो
4
हमें एक और 4 चाहिए उसके पेयर के लिए।
और एक है तो
अगर और एक है तो हमें दोबारा प्रिंट करेंगे उसको।
नहीं, यही मैं बोल रहा था, 4 2 कंसीडर नहीं करेंगे ना।
हाँ, अभी 2 को कंसीडर नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि वो पहले से किसी से पेयर हो चुका है।
हाँ,
जो एक बार पेयर हो चुका है उसको दोबारा कंसीडर नहीं करेंगे।
And 0 and 6 को consider करेंगे।
0 and 6 को कंसीडर करेंगे, दोनों का सम प्लस 6
तो वही मसलन, क्योंकि ये सॉल्यूशन मैंने इसमें डाला है, लेकिन तो सॉल्व मैंने भी ऐसे ही डाला जैसे मुझे पूछा।
हाँ, क्योंकि यही पूछा जाता है, क्योंकि अदरवाइज क्वेश्चन विल बी बिट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड। सो
सही है गलत है जो आपने डाला है?
नहीं सही है, ऐसे ही डाला है।
ओके, हाउ मेनी अप्रोच यू कैन थिंक ऑफ
For what? This
for
question.
both this question? Yes.
For both these questions.
Like
So
one
hash table-
one is the sorted, one is the unsorted.
Hash table is the for the sorted one it's different. For unsorted it is difficult. For sorted it is easy because you can go put 2 pointers, one start and one end, and then
Yeah.
do something like that.
Yeah.
I'm interested more in the unsorted because I don't know the answer.
Use a hash table.
Yeah.
The
Store
hash
the
table.
frequency. Store the frequency.
वो तो सबका
And minus minus करते
Yeah.
रहो.
डिफरेंस
yes.
उसका डिफरेंस निकालते हैं,
Huh?
डिफरेंस निकालते हैं वो है।
हाँ.
डिफरेंस निकाल के और फ्रीक्वेंसी भी माइनस करते रहो, because one has got used.
Okay, so first we will take this approach. What we will do is we will take a start pointer and we will take an end pointer. Start pointer will initially point to the start of the array, end pointer will point at the end of the array, and we will just start comparing if array of start and array of end is equal to k. If it is equal to k, we just simply return that value. If it is greater than k, what we should do?
Minus one.
उधर से माइनस 1 कर दो।
Because if we are coming from here to here, our value is decreasing because this is sorted.
7 can never be part of it.
Yes, 7 can never be a part. And when we are moving from here to here, our value is increasing. So if the sum of start and end is greater than k, we will decrement the end pointer. And if our value of start plus end is less than k, we will increment start pointer. So the solution should be very simple.
So this is in case of unordered or ordered.
This
Sorted.
is in case of sorted.
Sorted. Okay.
Yeah. Public, I'm taking void. We will print all combination wherever it matches. So, what we should do? Yeah, int start equal to
0 and equal to str entirely.
okay. Now what we should do?
If for traversing, we should pass
A also, right?
Oh yeah, we should pass k. Sorry, int k. Yes. Now what we should do?
traverse the string.
If array of start, we need to
Plus array of
Yeah. So first we need to have the breaking condition where till what time we will run the loop. So like while
Should the end
start
be
is less than end.
start is less than end.
should the end be -1 or the start should be 1? Should
Or
we need an array?
should the end be -1?
Like string dot length?
String dot length -1. Yes, correct. You are right. So while
Start is less than end.
start is less than end. Okay. Now what we will do?
If array of start plus array of end is greater than k.
Now if ARR of
Start plus
start plus
array of end
ARR of end.
is greater than k.
First of all, we can just if let's say if it is equal to k, equal to k, what we will do?
Return
We have prop void, so we can just print here console dot write line array of start and array of end. Else what we should do? Else if array of start plus array of end is greater than k, what we should do?
decrement end.
And minus. Else
Start plus
start plus. And this is our code. So I was asked this question first, then I did this and I followed by the question, make it for, now we have 2 numbers, now use it for 3 numbers. How you will do it with the 3 numbers? You need to find out 3 numbers which sums up to the k.
Take like another 10.
Yeah. So we have to do same thing. Our 2 number logic will same. It will be the same. We will add one more for loop, which will run from 0 to n, 0 to length, and which will check first number, and the start pointer and end pointer will be like when we from 0 to length, our start pointer will be
0 plus 1.
0 plus 1 and end will be
minus
this.
1.
As we are incrementing, our start pointer will keep on incrementing, and
Before end.
yeah,
Before end.
and will remain same. And will remain same.
End to
Even
I mean,
zero
and
is
we have to
same.
start and end. We have to include it. We are adding, and then we will be adding the each item, right? For 3 value to check up for some of
For
the
3 value,
I mean, the start and end we already have. We are already
no,
adding
no,
these
no.
two
Start. We have to change every time whenever we are, because we already did this once. We do not want to do it again. So we will keep incrementing start as our first loop goes further away. So we will do the same logic. End pointer will remain same. Start pointer will be, there will be one more loop after this for int, let's say k equal to 0 to k k equal to k less than length, k plus plus. So start will be always k plus 1. And here we will do, we will add one more array of k.
And till where it will go? Till the last or before the last?
Yeah,
Before
can
the
just
last.
do 1 minus
Yes,
1 length minus 1. Yes.
length minus 1 or end minus 1. Yeah, end minus 1. It should be end minus 1.
So I have the question, I have the solution for this. If someone want, like I will be uploading it inside. If like someone want, I can just write it here also. This is the logic will be same. There will be few more modifications. Like if you can do it in the website. Okay. Now, like you want me to do this with dictionary? This is unsorted.
Anyway.
Okay. So I can write the dictionary solution.
For unsorted we will be using dictionary.
Yes.
कर पाएंगे
Okay.
डिफरेंस कर
No, otherwise you can just say
वो
the
sort
unsorted you will sort first, which will take log n, and then again you will do the same.
The same. Okay, so first you will sort it.
Yeah.
Oh, got it.
If he asks you that you don't use
Space.
dictionary.
Don't use extra space.